Hi friends, you're on the YouFact channel. Today you will see a selection of 15 gadgets about which you will never guess what they can in fact do. Their appearance is very deceptive. Links to all gadgets can be found in the description under the video. If you don't want to miss our new videos, subscribe to our channel and tap the bell. And the first cool gadget in our collection is this stylish pen. Do you want to write with it right now? But this is just the beginning. Look what it can do. By a mere movement, this pen transforms into a super anti-stress transformer. The body of the pen consists of magnetic modules to which you can add metal balls from the set and do something unusual or just relieve stress by playing with magnets. Also, this pen has a stylus tip for touchscreens. There is a stylus, a pen, and construction set in one gadget. It's cool, isn't it? The next on our list is a new generation backpack. It is so multifunctional and well thought out that it is even hard to believe that it's in existence. Let's start with the anti-theft function. As you can see, there are no zippers and pockets on the backpack. The main zipper is hidden, and on the straps and at the base of the backpack, there are hidden pockets for important things. Any thief has no chance, definitely. Let's go on. It is made of waterproof fabric, and there is a protective cover in case of a very heavy rain, which is stored in a special pocket and is always at hand. Also, this backpack has a built-in USB port with a charging cable that allows you to conveniently charge your smartphone on the go. In the pocket for a laptop, there is a protective shockproof pillow. At the base of the backpack, there are anti-slip strips, as well as the construction of the backpack correctly distributes the weight on the back, which is important for long journeys. This backpack deserves attention, without a doubt. This light bulb is designed to provide 24-hour video surveillance in your home, garage, or at work. It perfectly copes with all functions, lighting, and video surveillance. This camera has a 360-degree viewing angle, full HD lens, night vision, but the most important thing is the function of alert signals to your mobile phone when the camera detects suspicious movement within the time you have set. Camera control is carried out with a special application where you can view videos in real time and video recordings, as well as control the camera remotely. It is the perfect disguise, isn't it? And this is a cute little lamp that will appeal to both children and adults. After all, everyone will want to cuddle with a nice silicone little animal. A kitten or a bunny can shine up to 15 hours, and then its battery will need to be charged via USB. The lamp has 7 color modes and changes color after patting or pressing the button. It's very difficult to stop tapping it because it is so fascinating. It looks like an ordinary case for a mobile phone, but as soon as you touch it, the built-in temperature sensors will do the trick. It is really interesting to see how it changes color depending on the temperature, isn't it? Of course. First of all, it performs its main function. It protects the casing and side buttons of the phone, but it makes it much more interesting with temperature sensors. The main thing is not to test the case at too high a temperature. Kinetic rock is a mixture of small stones from which you can sculpt figures or just enjoy the tactile sensations. It does not stick to your hands. It's nice to play with it, and it's nice to look at, especially if you have all the colors of these rocks, because it is much more interesting to create multicolored figures. This toy is suitable for both children and adults. They will definitely not mind relieving stress with this magic kinetic rock. Another gadget that will help to better protect your home, or at least one of the important rooms, is a multifunctional combination lock. You can open it in any of 5 ways. A fingerprint, by the way, you can enter up to 95 fingerprints into the lock memory. A secret code, an ordinary key by knocking on your smartphone in a pocket 4 times, or just by shaking your phone. The anti-peep password function is noteworthy. You can enter an infinite number of digits until a secret combination appears among them. Even if someone is watching you, they will never know the password. By the way, 3 AA batteries are enough for up to 8,000 accesses, and the lock warns in advance about the upcoming need to replace the batteries. Does your cat have a personal hammock? Surely he dreams of such a window hammock. It is attached to the window by suction cups and can make home time or city trips more interesting. Just look, it's a real cat's buzz. This thing is sure to please any cat, but we must warn you in advance. Unfortunately, this window hammock can withstand only up to 15 kilograms and is not fit for a fat cat. Dreaming about a home movie theater? Well, here's your decision. An inexpensive and convenient mini DLP projector that you can always carry right in your pocket. The dimensions of this gadget are about 5 by 5 centimeters. There's a 3.5mm jack for headphones or portable speakers, and a slot for a micro SD card. For home use, this little one will be quite enough. The cinema is always at your fingertips. With such a stylish jump rope, you will train not only attractively but correctly. After all, it synchronizes with your smartphone, or rather with a special application, Smart Gym, and transmits data on the number of jumps, training time, burned calories, even recommends the optimal training mode. This smart jump rope charges fully through a normal micro USB cable for 2 hours, and a full charge is enough for 36 hours of training. Jumping rope is the most affordable cardio training for any age and at any time. This universal magnetic phone holder will appeal to every driver. All that is required is to assemble this once only and forget about the unreliable plastic clips or sticky silicone mats forever. The holder itself is a powerful magnet that is attached to the air vent of the car. The phone is held by a metal plate, which must be glued to the back cover of a phone or a case. A nice bonus is the 360-degree rotation of the device thanks to the design of this holder. The options for using this board are endless. For studying or drawing with your child, for cute letters to the family, for recording plans for the day and more. The image remains as long as you need, and you can erase everything by pressing a single button. It weighs less than 200 grams, it runs on a single battery, and you can choose the size of the screen to your taste, from 4.4 to 12 inches. If you like new sensations with health benefits, the Kangoo Jumps boots will definitely please you. The usual jumping at home or going to the special fitness Kangoo jumps, it is up to you to choose, but any of these options will be a great cardio workout. Even just looking at these kangaroos is fun, isn't it? This radio-controlled mini drone with an unusual remote control in the form of a watch not only looks cool, but also allows you to watch the flight in real time directly on the screen of your smartphone. By the way, this little drone can fly to a height of 120 meters. You can control the flight using the buttons on this watch, or by tilting the remote control. After pressing a special button, the gravity sensor is activated. It is the perfect idea for an unforgettable gift, isn't it? This small Bluetooth speaker fits in your palm, but it is very powerful and capable of continuously working for 24 hours, spreading sound in 360 degrees. It is convenient to take it with you on hikes and travel. After all, in addition to the compactness, the device has a microphone at the bottom and a protective coating against dust and splashes. It definitely deserves the attention of avid travelers. Write in the comments which gadget surprised you the most. See you soon.